Hello, today I talk about Allen-Bradley PLC software RSLogix 5. RSLogix 5 is for Allen-Bradley Big Dutch PLC is called PLC-5. PLC-5 and RSLogix 5 is very old, but it's very compatible and is very powerful. It's PLC-5. A few companies still use this PLC. So today I just show you how to install. Okay, let's start. Request install this RSLogix 5.8. Next, let me see. Here is okay. Complete. Let me see. All the symbol is RSLogix 500. Next. Next. Okay. You can see here. This RSLogix 5 is the same as RSLogix 500. All the same. Here, look. Create is here a little different. Here should be PLC-5 is which module you can use. Then okay. Here's here's all the similar, but in here, if you every time you use the PLC software, you should input output configuration here. This here is a little bit different. Here have the 3 kind the fake out. It's half slope, it's 1 slope, is here. Here look, 1 slope, 2 slope, half slope is fake out, dependent on what you use. Okay. In the future, I talk about how to do this. Okay, so keep waiting.